Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Angoormalai. Let's check out the ingredients, but before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. I have taken 3 cups of whole milk in a heavy bottom pan and added few pinches of saffron. Keep stirring and we will get the quantity of milk to almost half. While my milk is evaporating, let's check out the ingredients. I've taken chaina, angoor, some dry fruits and condensed milk here. And let's see the milk mixture and let's keep stirring. Alright, I have drained and separated the sugar syrup from the container, and these are the angoors, and I have evaporated milk ready. So let's keep stirring, and I'm going to slowly add the evaporated milk or condensed milk. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of condensed milk here. Condensed milk is going to work as a sweetener as well as it's going to thicken the malai. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of store-bought milk masala. This is Everest milk masala, and look at this. Our quick and easy Angoormalai is ready, looking delicious. Hope you like this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye.